Day. The festival is a place to celebrate the worth and wealth not only of Wa, but the Upper West. There's weaving, food, spoken word, games, literature and demonstrations, as you can see in the
In a way to expand the market for weavers, we've developed a digital platform with our partners called Assemble UK. This platform is going to enable anyone to reach weavers in the Upper West and place orders for woven strips. We are very excited about that.
So when the content was in there, everything was like July. So when you slap it, it goes like
We welcome everyone to Wa. Come to the Woori Festival, come to our center in the Upper West to learn about weaving and also to add to the knowledge that we are building about this center.
Waje jambe kena wachel hayalanga next year ngasanga March sentulunga pu ke mocha lanete jama kareja sonta avenka yelanga du asumang tibi pogo bli tibi da obli ina dahan ina nyen na bamen so ye kare sonta ka yelanga du